Good morning, Year 5. Your maths challenge this week is to revise multiplying digits by a 1-digit and a 2-digit number. Now we are going to start this week's revision with multiplying 4-digit numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, by a 1-digit number. And I'm just going to give you a couple of examples on how to do this. So if I was to label my columns, you can see we have thousands, hundreds, tens, and our ones. And we always begin by multiplying our ones together. So I'm going to start with multiplying 2 by 5, which is 10. So I am going to put my 0 here in the ones column, because 10, the 1 is in the tens column. So I'm going to put that down here and add that on to my tens through my next answer. I have 2 tens multiplied by 5, which is 10 tens, which is 100. So I'm going to need to put my 1 in the hundreds column, but I also, before I do that, I need to add this 1 down here. So I have 2 times 5, which is 10, add 1, which is 11. Really, it's 110. That's why we have 1 in the 100, 1 in the 10, and 0 in the ones, because our answer is 110 so far. So I've used this, so I can cross that out. I'm now going to move into my hundreds column. 4 times 5 is 20. I also have another 100, so I have 20 hundreds plus another 100, which is 2100. So my 1 goes in this column and my 2 goes in my thousands column, because 21 hundreds is actually 2100. I've used this one, I cross it out. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Add 2 is 17. Now because this is the last digit in my calculation, I'm going to put my entire answer in the answers box. And there we have it. My answer is 17,110. Now, if you are confident that you are correct, you could move on, but I'm just going to check by using the inverse, which is division. So I'm going to just check my answer is correct by taking my answer and dividing by my 1-digit number, which was 5. How many 5s go into 1? 0. How many 5s go into 17? 3. 2 remainder. How many 5s go into 21? 4. Remainder 1. How many 5s go into 11? 2. Remainder 1. How many 5s can go into 10? 2. My answer is 3,422, which means I am correct. Okay, one more example to show you here. I have another 4-digit number and I'm going to multiply it by a 1-digit number. We have 6,142 multiplied by 3, and again I'm going to start in my ones column. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now because there are no tens, I don't have to carry any tens over into this column, so I'm now going to move on to my tens column. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Now really we have 40 multiplied by 3, which is 120. So that's why I'm going to put my 2 in this column and my 1 in this column here. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12, 1 in the hundreds column, 2 in the tens column. You move on to the hundreds. 1 times 3 is 3. Add this 100 down here, so we've got 3, add 1 is 400. You can cross that out. And now we're going to finish with our thousands column. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. And because that was our last digit, I'm going to put my whole answer in my answer box. So that's a quick reminder on how we're going to multiply 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers today. Good luck!